Eden's Garden Essential Oils presents Cozy Fall Decor Ideas with Essential Oils. Looking for DIY fall decor made with toxic synthetic fragrances? Neither are we, which is why we're making these with autumn-inspired essential oils. Number 1. Fall Hand Soap. What you need: 7.5 ounce glass pump bottle, 1 ounce fractionated coconut carrier oil, unscented liquid soap, 150 drops of sweater weather. How to: add 150 drops of sweater weather and fractionated coconut oil to your bottle. Then fill with unscented liquid soap and stir until the ingredients are fully blended. Optionally, add a fun label. Place the bottle near the bathroom or kitchen sink. Number 2. Leather napkin rings. What you need: leather strips, scissors, friends and family blend, cloth napkins, beads. How to: measure at least 12 inches of leather and cut with scissors. Add 5 to 10 drops of friends and family blend. Let the oil soak in the leather for at least 30 minutes. String colored beads onto the ends of the leather string and not at the end. Wrap the leather piece around the napkin and tie it at the top. Number 3. DIY Spice Chai Latte Room Spray. What you need: 4 ounce glass spray bottle, 3 ounce distilled water, 2 tablespoon 190 proof grain alcohol, 50 drops Spice Chai Latte. How to: combine Spice Chai Latte blend and the grain alcohol in your glass spray bottle. Let sit for a few hours before filling the rest of your bottle with distilled water. Shake to combine and use as a natural air freshener. Number 4. DIY Fresh Fall Wreath. What you need: wreath frame, paddle wire, floral tape, live or silk florals, branches and greenery, autumn air blend. How to: make bunches of your florals and foliage using floral tape. Take a bunch and fasten it to the wreath frame using your paddle wire, ensuring the bunches are securely fastened and won't move. Slightly overlap your next bunches. For a fuller, bulkier wreath, let each bunch cover a good portion of the next bunch. Add a few drops of autumn air blend to add a cozy atmosphere to your home. Discover more fall-inspired essential oil tips at edensgarden.com.